Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm very excited to go over the brand new feature update from Gavel, which allows you to duplicate your invisible logic pages. This is a really handy feature because what it allows you to do is, let's say you've set up, in my example here, I have questions where I ask for the contact's first name, middle name, and last name, but not everyone has a middle name, so I've attached some invisible logic around a full name variable to say that if the contact's middle name is blank, then I want contact's full name to just be their first name and their last name with a space in between. But if contact's middle name is not blank, then I want this full name variable to equal their first name, a space, their middle name, a space, and then their last name. Now, let's say I want to also do this for the spouse if this person is married. So instead of having to create a new page, add a question, make it invisible logic, type in the new variable, and then add each of these different pieces, what I can do instead is go over to my contact full name one that I already created, and I can just click here where it says duplicate page. That's going to duplicate the logic and the variable, and it's just going to add a little 2 at the end. So what all I need to do now is say spouse and then take off the 2 at the end, all the way if you want like this. I already have this set up, so it's not going to let me because you have to have unique variables. But you can see that I can just go in and I can just update now these different pieces. So if spouse's name is blank, then spouse's full name, which is already selected since it's the variable that's created here, is, and then I would just go ahead and adjust and add the spouse's information here instead. So you can go through and see how this would work. In this case, I'm just going to delete this page and show you what I made for what I already set up. So here, all I did was I duplicated that page just as I showed you. And then I went into Invisible Logic and I just added the spouse's first name and last name in here. But all of the structure for the logic was already created for me. So that's all for this video, and I hope it was useful.